Renault has repeatedly shown teasers of new Austral, and just a few days ago, an image of the interior of the future crossover was published. Austral comes from the Latin word australis, which means southern. As for the appearance, there will be a lot in common with the new Megane electric hatchback. Austral will receive a similar front end with a narrow decorative insert that visually unifies the headlights and passes through the updated brand logo. At the same time, the crossover will have LED running lights, a slightly different shape of the lower part of the headlights, and a different bumper. On the side, one of the most noticeable differences is traditional door handles instead of retractable ones on the Megane. Larger, more complex lights will appear at the back, but they will also be combined with an LED strip. In addition, the Austral has a different bumper design, and the license plate area is located at the bottom of the trunk lid. Like the Kadjar, the new crossover is a relative of the Nissan Qashqai model. It will be built on a modified CMF-C D platform, and in terms of dimensions, the model will become slightly larger than both Qashqai and its predecessor. It is expected that in Europe the SUV will be offered only with hybrid powerplants. Among them are two mild hybrids, the first with a 1.3 TCE turbo engine and a 12-volt starter generator, the second with a 1.2 TCE engine paired with a 48-volt starter generator, and the most powerful version can be a 200 horsepower E-Tech plug-in hybrid.